One of the biggest cause of pain for us is sometimes difficulty in our relationships, whether it is in our marriage or with our families, with our friends. The Quran teaches us a way to love and interact with the creation that is healthy, that is not based in false dependency, that is not based in selfishness, that is not based in neediness, but is based instead in the love and trust of Allah. The Quran gives us a new way to love, gives us a completely liberating way to love. It is love for the sake of Allah.